I almost made a $9,000 financial mistake buying this Nissan 350Z. So it looked pretty cool and decent in the pictures. It's a manual, which is a big plus, right? And then I go and buy the Carfax from this website, checkcarvin.net. They sell them for $8. Dude, these $8 saved me $9,000. So I go through the whole report, right? 10 owners, guys, 10 owners. That's a lot. Then there's this accident right here, right? Been damage to the rear, structural damage reported. Let's go down. And the whole 215,000 miles that it was, it's never been serviced, like oil changes, maybe a couple times here and there, like right here. Oil changes just once. Here, next owner didn't do anything. The other owner didn't do anything. This guy didn't do anything, owner 5. And then this guy right here, did he do some stuff? Yes, he did do some stuff. So owner 4, so starting from owner 5 till owner 10, no one serviced this car at all. So yeah, this $8 decision from buying this Carfax from this website saved me $9 grand of troubles and problems.